Hi, my name is Tiana Flynn Brown, and this is a presentation that I did. I'm an RA on campus, and in my community, we have different committees. And the committee that I'm in, as you can see on the screen, is the Social Justice Committee, and this is a presentation we just did last night, actually, on cultural appropriation. So yeah. This is a quick video that basically kind of sums up what cultural appropriation is from the perspective of people that are a part of different minority cultures themselves. But I'm going to skip through that so that I can keep this short and sweet. Cultural appropriation is basically just taking things from different cultures that aren't your own for personal gain or profit. Without any sort of cultural awareness of what it is that you're appropriating, basically. So with these people, in this picture, obviously there's more than likely no malicious intent, but they're still taking aspects that are extremely significant and important to these different cultures, like obviously the one in the middle, Mexican, I don't know, I guess they're just, not I guess, I know, they're just basically taking stereotypical aspects of that culture and using it for something fun and like as a joke, basically, is the gist of what cultural appropriation is. So this article I found on greenheart.org basically sums it up pretty well. Appreciation versus appropriation. Appreciation being when you take the time out to better understand different cultures besides your own so that you can have a better understanding of the world around you and connect with people on a deeper and more understanding level. And appropriation, once again, just being the exploitation of someone's culture for your own personal gain, for fun or something like that. And this can be very harmful to individuals within those cultures because a lot of people are bullied and ridiculed for their traditions and their, I'm trying to think of the right word for this, their, the way they dress, basically. But then when mainstream media or other people outside of the culture take it as like a costume or wear it for fun, it's very frustrating for obvious reasons. But that is a big way that cultural appropriation is extremely harmful. So the importance of exploring different cultures, it's extremely important that we take the time to understand different cultures so that we can build stronger connections with people and understand that there's more to the world than what is in front of us. Here are some ways that you can explore, not exploit. Identify parts of your own personal culture and think about the ways that has impacted you as a person. And then you can better understand how other people's cultures and traditions impact them as well. Listening first, of course. When you're trying to learn about anything, it's best to listen before you speak or try and act, just so that you can understand the stories and attitudes of those in that culture. And it can help you for the next point. Consider the context, understand that there's a time and place for everything within every culture, and they do certain things, wear certain things at specific times, and there's a reason why that happens. So pay attention to that as well. And I'm going to stop the presentation here. It's kind of long, but yeah, you get the gist. Thank you for watching.